Okay, I recorded about 170 pictures today. I'm going to have the slideshow. If I can find it. There it is right there. I'm going to do a short because I want to show a video also. Okay. Nikon Z8 with the Nikon Z 180 to 600 millimeter. Now, I had the shutter speed a little bit too low, and I had the 1.4 teleconverter on. So this isn't at the full 600 millimeters. And I think I also try to crop it with the teleconverter on. And you can see the images aren't sharp. They're on the bird bath. So that's the only sharp part there was. Once I was realizing this, after I did something like 30 or 40 shots, unfortunately, I took off the teleconverter and things got better. And I should be coming up shortly where I took it off. And then I realized that I needed to put on focus peaking, because I was having trouble with the autofocus on the lens. So I had to use the manual focus just to get it just right. But with the shutter speed too low, when they were in the water, I mean the splashes are nice, but you notice that you see they're not standing still. So they give a blurry image, but man, they were just moving. So I had the shutter speed too low. So I took off the teleconverter, and this is full frame. And you can see when the birds they're moving or they're bathing, so they weren't sharp, but the other ones were if they were standing still. And I don't know if it was confusing the camera of selecting which bird. So I selected one closer, and then while it was bathing, it went to the one in the back because they were sharper. So if it was moving, it would go to the first one, and then if that one was moving, then it would go to the farther one. That's what I was getting. And I also noticed that if the bird was bigger, and if it was on the side, it would have that sharp. But as you can see, I put it in crop mode. No teleconverter, okay? I also noticed that one bird was on the left-hand side and the other one on the right-hand side. It didn't know how to focus. So it just stayed on the bird bath. You see, this one is the closest, so it also got the bird bath pretty sharp also. So I did a little focus peak. And I went back to full frame mode. Either that or I put the lens back, you know, to where you see the whole thing. But it's like a morning routine. Dogs barking at the neighbor across the street. She's loading her car, probably for school. Well, you see, some pictures were sharp, some weren't. I just want to show you, if they were moving, they weren't sharp. I believe this is back in crop mode, by the way, folks. And this is all in RAW. And of course I put it back in full frame, or I moved the focus back. So I was getting some pretty good shots in full frame, not crop. And I tried the crop again. Yeah, I was ready to end it, and then Raven showed up. And he was guarding the bad bird. He didn't want any birds to show up. And he would get rid of them. No one, even the bigger ones were kind of worried about this one. And these are the last set of pictures. I'll be showing the video next. So thank you for watching. I hope I was helpful. Just move up your shutter speed. Just put it in full frame and then just use the telephoto lens to do your work. You're not going to get a better shot, okay? I'll close that. Go back to my Nikon software. I'm going to go to the end, and I'm going to increase it. I'm also going to get rid of this right here. And I think I can get rid of this I'm looking for the info bar. No, that's not it. I don't know, folks. So I'm going to leave it right there. I like this bird, though, this picture. I'll leave it like that. So here's the video, and thank you for watching.